Hey, welcome to another episode of Big Red Money Pit Garage. I am Big Red, and this is my Money Pit Garage. Today, we're going to the junkyard. I need to find a 97, maybe a 98, I believe it's just a 97, 96 headlight harness that goes from the firewall connection down to the driver fender through the core support. The last one I had for my 97 Tahoe, I took off to give to my little brother for his vehicle that we lovingly call Stretch. Because the first one is Casper, so I'll let you ponder on that one for a bit. So we're gonna head over there. I don't have a ton of tools, just a few with me. Did not bring my impact because the battery is dead and it's charging right now. I got plans tomorrow with Michael from Michael's Money Pit Garage and his family. So got to get over and sneak in a few minutes over at the junkyard. It's only about 30 minutes, maybe a little more for me. And we'll see what we get. Hopefully I don't see something that I can't get today that I really would have wanted. And I'm going to regret not bringing all the tools. So thanks for liking and subscribing and staying tuned. Hopefully this will be a good video once we get to the junkyard. Well, we made it here. So I'm going to head in, pay, and start scouring the lot and see what we find. Well, here we got a 97 with the right plugs, but it's the work truck headlights. So that's unfortunate because it's all easy access. And it needs to be a 97 for that round airbag plug. So we'll keep looking. Well, didn't find the airbag one. Did find one for a non-airbag, so 96. And the reason is the truck that it's going to go back into, instead of putting this on my Tahoe, I put it on my brother's truck, take back mine. So let me show you what I got. So here's the headlight plugs, the right ones. That's a little messed up there, but usable. This has already been broken off, so I will have to get another plug, splice that together. So I'm just gonna fish this out and then fish it out over there. Pretty easy to do, just a couple bolts here and there and some plastic ties. So as soon as I get that out, I'll show you. And there it is. Had to push the push pin out here, take the coolant box off, snake it down out this hole, finagle it through here. Same thing, there was a push pin in here. Oh, maybe up here. And, you know, a couple grounds. So now I just need to get that plug replaced and she's good to go. See you back at the house. A little bit extra here. These are those two plugs I got. Those were free. And this long harness is complete. Let's see. Driver's side still has its plugs. Ground wire's intact. What is not intact goes to the horn. Is one of these here. And that's why I cut both in case these were bad. But the plug was just disintegrated on it there. So that's how it came. So I'm just gonna use one of those, snip the wires, splice them on, and be good to go. And that is the complete headlight harness for a 96 or a 97 with no airbag, so 3/4 1 ton. So there we go. All right, gonna do a quick repair here so that I can just get it out of the way. A little hot air tool that we use for shrink fittings. Got some of those here. Got the wires cut and over here as well. So we're just gonna boop, and then we'll have a plug. And Let me get that. It's gonna be a little hard to film that, so I'll just put them on. Probably gonna use the red ones. And then I'll show you when we're done. Solder's melting on both ends of it. Might do a little more. These aren't melting as good as my other ones, but that is a nice solid connection. And then I did tape up the other one. And I'll tape them all together just so there's no stress being applied directly to the solder connection here. So one more to go. And I've got it all wrapped up, ready to go. Is it perfect? Nope. Is it good enough? Absolutely. Especially when couldn't find the 97 harness I needed intact. So we're gonna have to do this twice. Pulled my 97 back out of my brother's truck and put this one in. So, well, I'm back in the truck. So this Junkyard did me really good today. The harness I picked up was from a 96, same the round plug instead of the square one. It's going in my brother's 1-ton truck. We pulled the one off my core support when we got the wrong harness before. We got the one with the single plug for the sealed beam headlight. So we converted his truck to the composite, 9006, 9005 bulbs, and everything is working. He has the extra airbag plug that my Tahoe needs. This harness doesn't have it. It's got some cut wire on one plug. They gave me the 2 plugs that I cut for free off of another harness that had been mangled up. So we should be good. We can splice those 3 wires, and then I'll have an extra plug for something else. It was 12 bucks. I couldn't beat that. eBay had one for $229, so I wasn't going to spend that. So anyway, thanks to the Junkyard, and like and subscribe, and hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you.